You have been doing everything right, and your belly keeps growing anyway. There is a reason for that, and it has nothing to do with your willpower or your effort. Stay with me, because by the end of this video you will finally understand exactly what is going on inside your body after 40, and the one simple thing that can start to change it. Linda is 47. She is up at 5:30 every morning. She tracks her calories in a little app on her phone, hits the treadmill 5 days a week, and has cut out sugar completely for the past 3 months. She is doing everything the magazines and the workout videos tell her to do. But every morning when she looks in the mirror, the soft belly that appeared around her 43rd birthday is still there. Bigger, if anything. And she is exhausted, not just physically, but emotionally, in that quiet, defeated way that comes from working hard and seeing nothing change. Now meet her older sister, Diane, 52 years old. Diane takes a short walk after dinner, goes to bed at 10, takes one inexpensive supplement every morning with her eggs and avocado, and has dropped 2 dress sizes in 4 months without ever counting a single calorie. Linda watches her and cannot understand it. Same genes, completely different results. Keep watching, because that difference has an explanation, and it is not what either of them expected. Here is what nobody told Linda. After 40, the body stops playing by the old rules. Estrogen begins to fall, and as it does, a stress hormone called cortisol quietly rises to fill the gap. Cortisol is ancient. It was designed to help your ancestors survive famines and predators. When it runs high for long enough, it sends one very specific command to your body. Store fat at the belly. Hold it there. Do not release it. This is not a malfunction. It is your biology doing exactly what it was built to do. And no amount of treadmill time or calorie cutting can override a hormonal command at the cellular level. You cannot outdiscipline a misfiring signal. Linda was never lazy. Her body was simply following orders she did not know it was receiving. So, what drives cortisol higher and keeps it there? Think of cortisol like a fire that needs 3 things to keep burning: stress, poor sleep, and a specific deficiency that most women over 40 have without ever knowing it. That deficiency is in a vitamin your skin is supposed to produce from sunlight every single day. When levels of this vitamin drop, and after 40, they almost always do, your body loses one of its main tools for regulating cortisol. The stress signal stays switched on. Belly fat stays locked in place. Metabolism slows. Energy drops. And no matter how clean you eat or how hard you train, the biological environment keeps working against you. It is like trying to drain a bathtub without turning off the tap. Here is what actually helps. The first thing is 10 minutes of direct morning sunlight before 9 a.m., skin exposed, no sunscreen. This is free, and it starts resetting your body clock and your cortisol rhythm from the very first day. The second thing is taking a soft gel of this fat-soluble vitamin with your breakfast. Something containing healthy fat like eggs or avocado helps your body absorb it fully. The third thing is a consistent sleep window. Lights down by 10:30. Cortisol naturally spikes in the early morning, but chronic poor sleep keeps it elevated all day long, undoing every good choice you make. These 3 habits are not dramatic. They are not expensive. But together they begin to lower the cortisol baseline that has been quietly working against you for years. And one more thing before the payoff. Make sure you hit subscribe, because next week I am covering the one breakfast habit that spikes cortisol before 9 a.m. and most women over 40 are doing it every single morning without realizing it. 6 weeks after Linda made these small changes, something shifted. The belly did not vanish overnight. That is not how biology works. But it softened. Her energy came back first. Then her sleep got deeper. Then one morning, she pulled on a pair of jeans she had not worn in 2 years, and they fit. Not because she found a miracle, not because she worked harder, but because she finally stopped fighting her body and started giving it the one signal it had been waiting for all along. Your body is not broken. It is not betraying you. It is adapting to a new season, and it is still capable of incredible change. It just needs the right conditions to do it. If this helped you feel a little less alone in that process, hit subscribe so you don't miss the next simple habit that can make your body feel like home again.
I'm so glad you stopped by. Remember, it's okay to take things one step at a time. Everything is going to be just fine.